Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Elskivy from Bemis Crafty Corner, and this is just a quick minute video for the journal that we're currently working on, because we're currently working on Where the Wild Things Are. And, we started with some pockets and things, and we've got a folio in the middle, and I did get the rick-rack done. But I received this package today from Miss Alyssa, and this is, apparently she studied at the Amy School of Tape. So I'm going to open this on the side right here. So she reached out to me yesterday, day before yesterday, and she said that she had some paper that we might be interested in, and it is Where the Wild Things Are. Oh my god. Holy crap-a-noli. She sent a lot of Where the Wild Things Are paper. So she sent this to us to put in the journal. Fantastic stuff. Let's take a look. I'm going to get one of these open. Here we go. We've got some ones we can cut down and make some journal cards out of, and there's the back side of that. And then there's this one, King of All the Wild Things. Love it. There's the back side, which is our bookends. And then we have this one here, which is our monsters. And the back that says, Where the Wild Things Are, Let the Wild Rumpus Start, I'll Eat You Up. Just all the cute stuff that we love so much on this one. So that is a gift to add to our journal from Miss Alyssa. And I want to thank her very much for this, because this is fantastic and it's going to look awesome, and we're going to get it into the journal. And, we're going to, matter of fact, I'm going to cut this up right now and I'm going to make some journal cards out of it. I am. All right. So that's all I have for you. I just wanted to share that quickly with you guys. So back to work on the journal. I have so much to do. Until I see you again, listen, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe for me. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And until I see you, stay safe. Bye-bye.